What's up, guys? It's me, Connor, back with another video. Hi. Today we just got hit by a very big storm, and look what happened. The little gutter, part of the gutter just fell off. It was such a big storm. I cannot just believe my own eyes. It was so big. There's like so much stuff ruined right now. The whole street is covered in leaves. It was a huge storm. One tornado touched down near me. We did not get hit. Missed us, but tornado warning. There's not a tornado warning anymore. The tornado passed. The storm passed. Like an hour and 20 minutes ago. That's when the storm started to die. But the storm ended an hour, 45 minutes ago is when 45 minutes. It was, the storm ended at it started at 4, and it was like a 50-minute storm. It was huge. One time we were in a storm, and this stuff right here was gone. So, watch out for storms, everybody. I have a very big dare for me. I have to stay on YouTube for 24 hours. I have to record for 24 hours. That's a very big deal because I don't really like recording. I don't really like showing my personal life. But I'm gonna post it on YouTube. It's gonna be very crazy. I just don't know what to do. The gutter fell, branches fell, so much branches fell actually. And the gutter's all messed up. So whenever it rains, all that rain's gonna start flooding. It didn't flood, we get so much storm, so. We live next to the ocean, next to the Atlantic Ocean. We go to the Galveston Beach. We're going to the Galveston Beach in a couple days. I don't know when. No, we're not going to the Galveston Beach. Darn, I don't know why. We're going to go to the Galveston Beach, I think, next month. I don't know. We'll see when we're going. But I'm going to go to the Galveston Beach. I'm, so excited. So, this storm literally ended first. I got a bloody nose from the storm. The storm everything was just heavy, guys. So, and a couple people were injured, and a couple people one person was, I think, that's a plane. Like thunder. That's the storm. I forgot there's another storm heading for us right now, so that might be the other storm right there, I don't know. But it did a lot not good stuff. It ruined. One house was, one tree fell on a house. I really hope they survived the tree falling. Yeah, so it's some pretty bad stuff. The gutter's so broken right now. Look, it's so easy to pick up. Look. It's all dirty right now and wet from storm. Ooh. I don't know what the heck that is. It's survived the storm. Did not survive the storm. Do not step on. I'm never stepping on that gutter ever again. All of these plants right here are messed up. The storm was going this way. It's going that way. It was a pretty big storm. There's lots and lots of tree branches all over, like sticks and branches all over the place. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel. In a couple days, I'm going to do a free Robux giveaway. The highest I'm going to give is probably like 200. The lowest I'm going to give is like 2 Robux. But I'm probably going to give like one Robux. So, I'm going to be doing a free Robux giveaway. And shout out to Zach Games. He is a very good YouTuber. Go subscribe to his channel. His link will be in the description below. I'll try to put in the link. The link in the description. I'm on phone. I'll put the link on tomorrow when I get home. And I'm getting AirPods tomorrow. Well, they're my mom's AirPods. So they're not technically mine, but I'm getting them from her. And yeah, shout out to that game. You're gonna get gifted. And it's raining again. Starting. Oh, first bell, I was heading for us. I'm literally not even near the tree. It's literally starting to rain. Probably get inside. My guy's car. I'll show you what happened outside. The bike survived the storm. Well, this chair didn't really survive the storm. It's wet. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel. If you don't subscribe to this channel, I'm going to delete your Roblox account view and Fortnite account. So yeah, bye guys.